Facial cupping. What is facial cupping and how do we implement it in our daily face yoga practice? Well, facial cupping is not a new concept. Facial cupping has been used in traditional alternative medicine techniques for years now. Your physiotherapist also uses it. The doctor near you also uses it. Facial paralysis, hemifacial spasms, facial lifting, everyone's using it. It's just that today, this technique is available for you to learn in your own space. Practice it, implement it for face lifting at home. Namaste everyone, मैं विभूति अरोरा आपकी फेस योगा प्रैक्टिशनर. सीखिए मेरे साथ how to face cup at home yourself. पहले तो समझते हैं ये टेक्निक किसके लिए है और कौन कर सकता है. Well, if you are above 25, you're looking at anti-aging, fine line reduction, facial tightening, collagen stimulation, then you can do it. समझते हैं कौन ये टेक्निक नहीं कर सकता. अगर आपके पास एक्ने है, आपके फेस पे सिस्टिक एक्ने है, then this technique is not for you. Please skip the video. This technique is used for breast tightening, butt lifting, cellulite reduction, face lifting, and a lot more. It really depends on the size of the cup you are using. Your physiotherapists also use it for pain relief. If you see these are silicone cups that come in all shapes and sizes for different parts of your body. For example, the larger sized cups are basically for body cupping, used onto your back, for butt lifting, for stomach tightening. For the smaller sized cups are for more delicate areas of your body. For calf, people with varicose veins, people with cellulite issues or underarm tightening can use this. For face lifting or anti-aging, which is what we're really here to talk about today. These sized cups are perfect for anyone above the age of 25, I repeat. The smaller sized cups are basically for under eyes. These cups don't really stick to your skin but are very, very good for collagen stimulation, dark circles, hollow under eyes. That's the cup you're looking for. These cups come in different materials. Some come in plastic with a gun where you manually actually push air or create a vacuum suction in it. These are food grade silicone cups which I personally use, and then there are LED based cups which you can use which combine photon LED with facial cupping, which is the most ultimate form of cupping you could do. There is fireglass cupping and there is hijama cupping which also involves blood, but those are actually done by certified practitioners in their center and not actually safe to do at home. We're not going to talk about it today. Let's talk about what does cupping really do. Cupping creates a vacuum or a suction onto your face which assists in oxygenation, collagen stimulation and face lifting. All your loose skin, fine lines will anyway get reduced or erased in the interim. Facial cupping लेकिन आप bare skin पे नहीं कर सकते. You have to use a face oil to cup. I'm going to give you a light demo on how you can cup it. If you're looking at plumpening your lips, you can actually use this for lip plumpening as well. I'm going to apply some face oil onto my face. Now when I'm looking at jaw or jowl lifting, I'm going to support my face like this. Pinch the cups onto my skin. You hear that sound? That's the vacuum you want to create. Cups should not stay stagnant or in one place and should always be moving. And that's how you lift all of the loose skin, tighten the muscles upwards from the center of your chin till your earlobes 6 times. We then move on to cheek lifting, the zygomatic muscle or the apple of our cheek, जो हमारे face की शान है, that we really want lifted all the time. You support, lift and release. You can do this on both sides simultaneously like this. Now remember, the cup should not be placed stagnant. अगर ये एक जगह ऐसे हो तो आपको एक अंडरस्किन ब्रूज या मार्क आएगा जो 1 से 2 दिन में अपने आप चला जाएगा. But the art of cupping is that you should constantly glide it onto your face or your skin. As let's assume that you have droopy lips. आपके ये risorius muscle droop कर रही है and you want to tighten it. In that case, you will do zone 1 first, zone 2 second, and then move on to lip lifting or risorius lifting like this. आप सीधा यहाँ पे नहीं टारगेट करेंगे, आप पहले नीचे वाली मसल्स और ऊपर वाली मसल्स को स्ट्रॉन्ग करेंगे, लिफ्ट करेंगे एंड देन इसके सपोर्ट सिस्टम को रीअलाइन करेंगे. We work on the principle of anchoring a smaller muscle onto a larger muscle so that there is some bond, some correction or some muscle memory that gets created. The same way we use the smaller cups for under eye stimulation like this. The eye cups are very easy to use. All you have to do is pucker. You can also get rid of lip lines. You can get rid of dryness, chapping of the lips if you use this. Or if you are thinking of plumpening your lips via injectables, say no today, because these are the perfect natural alternative. All you have to do is pucker along. If your lips have pigment or darkness around and you're looking at a solution, facial cupping is the answer for that as well. The larger sized cups are basically used for your underarm, for your under chest, for your stomach or your butt regions. We also use them in varicose veins. The amount of blood circulation they stimulate around your body, the pain relief they give is next to none. They also ensure that oxygen flows seamlessly throughout different parts and different muscles, strengthening the muscles of the entire body. That's why cupping is a very, very great alternative medicine technique. Try it out at a friend's place if he or she has cupping, or get one for yourself. Happy pampering!